Ia fferm Rhydygofaint, fi yw Daryl yng ngwraig Francis a Gwennan a Lina. Ffarm glaswellt yn unig, ni'n godro 120 o wartheg ac yn cadw da bach deri a hefyd ni'n cadw chydig o beef a 300 o defyd, Charlie Cross Texel. Mae ystod lle wella ansawdd o glaswellt yn tyfu. Yn wedig ar ôl cyfnodau hir o dywy sych ni wedi cael. Trial gwella cynhyrchiant a trial cael gymaint o borfa allwn ni dyfu ar y ffarm yma.
I think we've interested in how sustainability will affect Rhydygofaint in the future, and we're very keen to investigate how we can best afford to comply with regulations coming in, and that would be in any way really renewables, reducing carbon footprint, and trying to understand and implement what a more sustainable way of farming is. We've certainly been working in recent years on trying to bring our calving age down to 24 months on our homebred heifers, and we've had good success at reducing the calving interval, but we're keen to try and be producing prime heifers to hold to sex semen and calving down at 24 months. So we'd be really interested in how we best go around rearing those heifers to fit the slot we've designed for them.